eyebrows. Today I'm going to share some products that I currently have for them, and welcome to my channel. I have blonde eyebrows, and as I've gotten older they've gotten more sparse, and let me show you a close-up of them. This is them without any product on. Blondish, sparse. This is what it is looking like when I don't have any. And that's okay. It's okay not to have them on. But sometimes I want them to frame my face. And so I'm going to show you what I have. In my last video on mascaras, I told you I don't do my bottom lashes. Today I tried to put some mascara on just so you could see how sparse they are. And I don't do it, but I did it for you today. Okay, so let's start with what I currently have, and I'm going to show you each item. I'm going to tell you, this is my current favorite. It's been for a while. It's an Anastasia Brow Definer. The one I have, originally I had a blonde one. That was fine, but I went taupe. I'm going to show you. It has, let's see, there's the spoolie end. There is the actual definer there. I'm going to put this on one of my eyes since it's my current favorite. Oh, I'm going to need my magnification mirror because I cannot see without my glasses. So here we go. I'm going to open her up so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, there's my very sparse eyebrow, my very blonde one. I start just in the middle, going to my top of my arch, and then working my way from my nose side to my ear side. And I don't put on too much daily. I mean, if I was going to an event where I have a lot of very intense makeup, I would make them darker, or I might even use a different product. So there we go. What a difference. And now you use the spoolie. I close my eye in case any brow hair falls off. Don't want it to go into my eye. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm going to put that one away. And you put the spoolie cover. Always make sure to have it retract back in. And oh, never have it out too much or it will break off. That has happened to me. And these are expensive. They're around $30 roughly, maybe a little less, maybe a little bit more, which will bring me to the next product I have, and I'm going to share that with you because it's less expensive, and that is my Wet n Wild Retractable. This one is in ash brown for when I want darker brows. Okay, I'm trying to get it out of the box. Come on. Okay, it's out of the box. It's so similar, so similar. There's its spoolie. Its spoolie seems to be a little bit smaller, and it's retractable end. So I'm gonna have two different color eyebrows on, obviously. This is the taupe one, and this is going to be the ash brown one. Later today, I'm gonna have to reevaluate and maybe mix the color, so if I go out in public, which I am, people aren't thinking, that's interesting, but maybe they won't. So here we go. Again, oh, by the way, this brow is even more sparse. This, I start at the top, work my way from nose side. I always start at the top because I have low hanging brows. I've noticed, especially as my eyes have become more hooded, my brows seem lower down, and I kind of make me look a little Cro-Magnon. I don't like that. I want to look pretty. Okay, anyway, don't know if you could hear that. I was whispering to myself, talking to myself. All right, let's see. I'll get a little bit more there. Again, this is a darker color, so I'm being a little more careful, trying to fill in the areas where I do not have any brow hairs. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna retract it back, cap it. Hold on. And then use the spoolie. All right, so now I have taupe brow and a ash brown, and of course I think that could be done better. Put a little bit more there. I usually use my large lighted magnification mirror, but it's not coming back. Oh no, it's not coming out. I think it might have been the end of it, so I'm not putting on more. Oh, I gotta buy more. Maybe I will go to Target today and look for some more or somewhere. Okay, I'm putting that one away and putting it to the side so I remember I'm out of it. All right, another product I have is this NYX Brow Pencil in Blonde. Let me find the box to show you. And it is a thinner product, and there's its spoolie. This has a different type of, it's more of a micro product. See tiny thing coming out? I don't really like this. I'm gonna tell you why. It doesn't go on as good for me, this brow fill. And it's in blonde, but it looks kind of reddish in a way that I do not like. Let me try filling in the ash brown brow, which I was having trouble completing. Maybe I'll show you a little, oh, see, I'm gonna show you. It is reddish. Not crazy about this color. Can you see? It's kind of a reddish color. I don't really like it. Kind of clashes with my skin tones. So that one, I don't know why I've kept it. I really don't like it. It might work for you if it does. If you're using it and it works for you, great. And maybe a different color. Maybe instead of the blonde, I should try okay, I'm gonna give it another chance. I'm gonna try getting a different color next time so that it is not so reddish. Maybe it's the answer to all my prayers. I don't know. Okay, gonna put that away and consider getting a different color. I'll show you something else. I have the traditional CoverGirl. It is the Easy Breezy Brow Fill, and it is in a soft blonde. Doesn't work very good on me. Comes with a little pencil sharpener, and I have a better pencil sharpener. Let me find it. In rummaging through my drawer here, if I can find it. There it is. I put on my glasses so I can see what it's called. It is a MAC pencil sharpener, and I use this for like lip pencils, and you can use it for this pencil. The reason I don't like it, it's just the texture. Like if I wear sunblock every day, I think the sunblock makes it so it just doesn't want to stick on my skin surface. So it's kind of pointless for me. And it doesn't have a spoolie. So then I have to find a spoolie from another product to brush it up. One more product I currently have, I will share with you. And it is a brow trio kit. I saw it on YouTube, several people reviewing it. I bought some. And if you are interested in finding out more about it, I have a video which shows me trying it out, putting it on. I bought it in taupe. One thing I do like about this, it has stencils so that you can get the shape you want, which is great for someone whose brows have kind of, disappeared. And it's waterproof. It is hard to get off. A lot of these products I have to reapply kind of midday. Again, probably because I wear sunblock, and it's just puts something on the surface of my skin that makes it hard for them to have staying power. You know what though? There are setting sprays and setting powders for brows. I have not tried them out. I think I'm gonna look around for them, and maybe I'll do another video in the future. Anyway, if you want to find out more about the trio kit, you can go back, look in my past videos and find me putting that on and showing the different parts of it. There are several parts of it. There's a stencil, there is the actual pomade, there is like the sponge applicator. I think that's it. Yeah, well, go look at my video. All right, so those are my brows for today. and I'm going to have to readjust them, but I hope that was helpful for you if you are looking at brow products and trying to think what to get. I may put out another brow video in the future because my stash is constantly changing. And if you have a suggestion, please put it down. I will just say one more thing before I go. I don't really tweeze my brows. Here's my tweezer though. I only take the little hairs that are escaping under my brow. That's the only thing I pluck. And once I did have my brows professionally done, they looked fabulous. But it is so difficult to get to this one amazing person. She's in a tiny, tiny little building in a very bad neighborhood, and I just don't want to do it again. That was awesome though. It was a transformational time where I thought my brows can really, they can rock it. Anyway, I hope to see you next time and have a really great day. Bye.